Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will draw the nose. It's a part of a small series of drawing the elements of the face. And basically I approach every drawing the same way. So I always want to start with the biggest form. In this case, it's the nose. And I use the open light lines just to find the placement and size of the nose. And so I don't expect to be correct the moment I start drawing on the paper. So I want to keep it open and light so I can always move things around as I get a better understanding of what I'm drawing. I don't go into details. I only try and catch the main directions and the main form. I try to look for the midline and I slowly start to show where the biggest plane changes are happening. So from front plane to down plane and from front plane to side plane. I'm working with a 2B, so it's not super hard, but it's also not very, very soft, so that I can keep the drawing somewhat clean. And then I show the down plane. In this case, it has a shadow, so I start with that. I also show the cast shadow very lightly underneath the nose. I give the side plane of the nose tone so that it's easier to understand that there's a major break happening from the front plane of the nose to the side plane of the nose. And so I slowly add more and more planes and tone to my drawing, while I still keep it possible for me to change things if I need to and add things if I need to. Darkening the break point from the front plane to the down plane, while keeping it soft. And again, I go over things more than just once. So I'm working in layers instead of going directly to finishing details from the very beginning. So every time I go over a plane, I add extra observations. And I add tone. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Keep drawing and have fun.